Hi, hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, KAYAKA Maths Classes, where you can learn maths with ease and confidence. So, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಲೋ ನಡೀಲತ್ತದ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಚಲೋ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ one of the important concepts in the PUC second year for 2 marks, that is determinants. So one question will be compulsory asked from this chapter for 2 marks. So in 2 different formulas or 2 different forms. So one is finding the area of triangle and another one is finding an equation of line joining the 2 points. Only from these two only they are going to compulsory ask one question for 2 marks. ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ ನೀವು ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ದ 2 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಎ ಲಿಂಕ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ದ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ 2 marks. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ತನಕ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ easily solve all the problems from this chapter. Okay, let us see. Find the area of triangle whose vertices are 3, 8, minus 4, 2, 5, 1 using the determinants. Compulsory he will give 3 points x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and he will ask to find the area using determinant. And this is the formula to be remembered. If formula nenpitkole beknu compulsory. Okay. So what is it? Area of triangle is equals to half of, this is your determinant. And first column, second column values are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. The last column are 1, 1, 1 fixed values. Okay. So treating this as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and substitute in the formula and just expand the determinant. Very simple. Let us see how to simplify. Okay. So treating this as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 here. Okay. For first example, we'll write it as x1, y1 is equals to 3, 8, x2, y2 is equals to minus 4, 2 and x3, y3 is equals to 5, 1. Okay. So let us substitute in the formula. This implies area of triangle is equals to, so half of determinant. So x1, y1, here it is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. x1, y1 is 3, 8. x2, y2 is minus 4, 2. x3, y3 is 5, 1. And the last column is 1, 1, 1. Now this is a basic determinant. Already we have seen the determinant chapter for 5 marks, 3 marks also. And this has to be expanded. Plus, minus, simple thing. Okay, let us see how to express. This half as it is. So plus 3 into you need to leave this 3, its column and its row. You already know this technique, right? Now these are the 4 elements. Just left minus right. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus as it is 1 into 1 is 1. So this is the first expansion. Okay. Similarly, minus 8. So minus 8 as it is. Now close its column and its row. Okay, now these are the 4 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left minus right, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Formula minus as it is, 5 into 1 is 5. So this is your element, minus 4, minus 5, isn't it? Next, last value, one last value, plus 1 into. And close its column and its row. These are the 4 elements, isn't it? Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 and formula minus as it is, 5 to the 10. Here it is. Now just simplify and you get your answer. Half. So what you'll get? 3 into 1 minus 8 into minus 9. 1 into anything. So this is minus 14. So if you simplify this, what you get? Half of 3 plus 72 minus 14. So what do you get, my dear students? So this is 61 by 2, isn't it? 61 divided by 2. Or you can write 61 half is How much? Yes, 30.5 square units. This is your area. Isn't it easy? In the easiest way you can solve this. Just basics, determinants, expansion is necessary. That is the only thing. Just look into it. Okay, my dear students, welcome back again. Let us see one more example on this. So this question is asked in 2025. That is, in the previous year, this has been asked. Again, the question is same. Find the area of triangle with these three vertices using the determinant. So for the practice purpose, we'll solve this one example and we'll move to the next category of the problem. Let us see. Again, use the same formula and dump the values. What it is? So area of triangle is equals to, so half of, just I'm substituting the value x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. The first part will be x1, y1. So this is minus 2, comma minus 3. And 3, comma 2 is your x2, y2. x3, y3 is minus 1, comma minus 8. And 1, 1, 1 at the end. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. Now just expand the determinant. Plus, minus, plus. Simple way. Okay, let us see one more time. So this half as it is. Again, minus 2. Plus into minus minus. So I'll write minus 2 here. So close its column and its row. These are the four elements. You know this. Left minus right. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus as it is. So minus 8 into 1 is minus 8. So this becomes plus 8. Isn't it? So now minus 3 as it is. So we have another formula minus. So it becomes plus 3. Minus formula as it is. And minus 3. This minus minus plus. So plus 3. Again, close its row and its column. What are the elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Isn't it? One last time. Close its row and its column. That is plus 1 into its row, its column. That is, these are the four elements. Left minus right. 3 8 is 24 and it is minus. So this will be minus 24. 3 into minus 8 is minus 24. Formula minus as it is. You need to remember keeping minus sign at the middle is very important. ಇದನ್ನ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇಡ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಅದ್ರ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 2 is this minus plus 2. Compulsory. Okay. Now just simplify this. Half as it is. So you can easily simplify. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 into minus 2 is minus 20. Okay. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 3s are 12. That is plus 12. And minus 24 into, minus 24 plus 2. Minus 22. Minus 22 into 1 is minus 22. So what will be the answer? So minus 20 minus 22. Minus 42 plus 12. So it will be minus 30 by 2. Isn't it? So minus 30 by 2 in the sense this will be minus 15. But we are finding the area. Area cannot be negative. So what we do? Modulus of area is equals to plus 15 square units. If the area is obtained as negative also, then you need to keep it as a positive at the end. Because area of a triangle cannot be negative. Area negativity ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ದಾಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಈಸಿ ಅದ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲತ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ತರದ ಎರಡು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ. So we'll see some different kinds of example on this one. Just take a look at it. Hello my dear students, we'll see some different kinds of problems. What is the difference here is, again using the area of triangle, we are using the same formula, but the difference is here area of triangle is given and we need to find some unknown quantities from the vertices. Let us see. If the area of the triangle with vertices 2 minus 6, 5, 4 and k comma 4. This k is unknown quantity. E is 35 square units. Find k by using determinants again. Again the same formula has to be used, but area is given, which means this LHS value is given already. So this is given and you need to find out an unknown quantity from the vertices, that is points. So the unknown quantity is k, here it is. In the third point you can see k comma 4. This is to be obtained. Let us see how to find this. Again, area of triangle is equals to, substitute the values here again one more time. So x1 y1 is 2 comma minus 6, 2 comma minus 6, x2 y2 is 5 comma 4, and x3 y2 is k comma 4 it is, and the last it is 1 1 1. Okay, and we are left here is 1 by 2 is missing. 1 by 2 is compulsory, this one. Okay, now let us use area of triangle here, given it as 35. Here you can see 35. So whenever the area is given, you keep in your mind, very very important, cholo ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು, ನೀವು ಏರಿಯಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 35 ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 35. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 35 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್, ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ minus and plus. Okay, let us see how it becomes. Now first element is 2 plus 2 into, so what it is, cross multiplication. Idu column idu row biಟ್ಟು 4 elements ಬರ್ತಾವ. 1 into 4 4, minus again 1 into 4 4, minus minus plus, ಇದೊಂದು minus ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು minus ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So this is plus 6 into, again leave its column and its row. 5 into 1 5, minus k into 1 is k into 1 is k. Okay, isn't it? Next, last plus 1 into, idu column idu row ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಇವಾಗ. So 5 4s are 20 minus 4k, right? Okay, let us see. Now just simplify, just transfer 2 into LHS. So 35 into 2 is 70. So this becomes plus or minus 70 is equals to, and what this becomes, the first term will be 0, 4 minus 4 0, 0 into anything is 0, plus just multiply inside the bracket, 6 5s are 30 minus 6k. So here 1 into 20 is 20 minus 4k as it is. Just add the numbers with k. So this is 30 plus 20 will be 50. So plus or minus 70 as it is. Okay, plus or minus 70 as it is. 30 plus 20 is 50, and minus 6k minus 4k is minus 10k. Okay, so this is as of the same, just area is given, you take it as plus or minus, and immediately transfer 2a here, it becomes plus or minus 70. Then the RHS simplification is as of the previous classes. There is no change in the simplification in the RHS part. Okay, so what this become now, make the numbers on one side and k terms on another side. Let us take this number into LHS now. What it becomes, plus or minus 70 as it is, plus 50 becomes minus 50 is equals to minus 10k. Now what we have to do here is, once you need to take it as plus 70, next one you need to take it as minus 70. How? So once it has plus 70 minus 50 is equals to minus 10k, and one more time you take it as minus 70, everything is same. Okay, plus 70 and now minus 70, minus 50 as it is equals to minus 10k is also as it is. Just once you take it as plus 70, everything is same. Again once you take it as minus 70 and everything is same. Just simplify these two, you will get two values, that's it. Okay, let us see. The first value will be what? 70 minus 50 will be 20. 20 is equals to minus 10k. So 10 ones are 10 twos are. So k is equals to minus 2. Why minus? Here we have a minus sign. Okay. Another one. Minus 70 minus 50 is, it is minus 120 is equals to minus 10k. 10 ones are 10 12s are, and k is equals to 12. Why plus 12? Minus minus get cancels. So these are the two values of k when area of triangle is given. Isn't it? Easy adalri, ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಸಿಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊರಿ. Okay, my dear students, so we'll see one more similar example so that it becomes clear and very crystal clear to all of you. Let us see one more similar example with different values. Again, if area of the triangle with vertices minus 2, 0, 0, 4 and 0, k is 4 square units, again find the value of k using the determinant. As of the previous problem, we'll see same thing here using the same formula, that is area of triangle. Let us see. First, consider the formula and dump the values. So area of triangle is equals to half of x1 y1 is minus 2 comma 0, x2 y2 is 0 4 0 k 1 1 1. Okay, now just expand the determinant along with substituting the area of triangle. What should we take area of triangle as? How much is given? 4 square unit. What should we take? ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು really? Yes, very good. Plus or minus 4 ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? So just expanding plus minus plus. So area of triangle is plus or minus 4 is equal to, so this half as it is. Okay, then minus 2 into, so close its row and column, 4 minus k minus 0 into anything is 0 ನೇ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ, ಏನು ನೀವು ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, very easy, plus 1 into its row its column, 0 into k is 0 minus 0 into 4 is 0. This is easy, isn't it? Yes. So plus or minus 4 is equals to 1 by 2. So multiply ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8, minus minus plus 2k. ಇದು 0 ಅನ್ನಂತೆ anything is 0 ಬರ್ತದ, 0 into 1 is again 0. So what remaining term is plus or minus 4 is equals to, ಇದನ್ನ LHS ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, plus or minus 8 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So the remaining terms are minus 8 plus 2k. Only these two terms remains here. Okay, so if you transfer 2 into LHS, it becomes 8. Just once you take it as plus 8 with all the elements same, then you take it as once it as minus 8 with others as same. Let us see how it becomes. So this is once as plus 8 is equals to minus 8 plus 2k, and now we'll take this plus 8 as minus 8 and everything as same, minus 8 plus 2k. Okay, now just simplify in the first term. Just take the 8 into minus 8 into LHS, it becomes 8 plus 8 is equals to 2k, 16 is equals to 2k, therefore k is equals to 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2 8s, isn't it? And last one, you bring again this into LHS, what it becomes, minus 8 plus 8 is equals to 2k. This minus 8, if we come in the LHS, it becomes plus 8. So this is 0. So 2k is equals to 0. Therefore k is equals to 0. Therefore k values are 0 and 8. Isn't it so easy, my dear students? So it has been solved as of the previous example only, isn't it? Just look into it. Hello my dear students, welcome back again. So we'll see the second type of problems. As I said you at the beginning only, there are two kinds of problems will be asked from this chapter for 2 marks. One is find the area of triangle, or if area is given, find the value of the unknown quantity k. Now the second type is we need to find or form an equation of a line when 2 points are given. So we have a fixed formula for that also. Let us see. So equation of a line joining the 2 points. We need to frame an equation. Equation in the sense there is a solution in the form of x and y. Okay. So again it is similar to the area of triangle only, but there is a small corrections or small addition and subtraction into it. Okay, let us see. So a same determinant is there. Half of the determinant, but instead of area you have equal to 0, isn't it? So there is a small changes in the determinant values also. The first values are same, x1 y1 x2 y2, and here it is only x comma y. Xy will be there because only 2 points will be given here. The third point is keep it as x and y. The third column is your 1 1 1 compulsory. So instead of area it is 0, and here it is xy. So the formula changes also. You can write xy at the first row also. So here xy, x1 y1 x2 y2, you will get the same answer. It doesn't matter. Okay, some people will use xy at the beginning and some will use xy at the end. Both the formulas are correct and you will get the same result. There is no change. Okay, you can try also for any kind of example. Let us say, find the equation of a line joining the 2 points. The points are given x1 y1 x2 y2 using the determinant again. So this is the determinant formula. Just dump the x1 y1 x2 y2 and expand it. This is a simple thing. Nothing changed. So let us see the solution. So here x1 y1 is your 3 comma 1 and x2 y2 is your second point, that is 9 comma 3, and substitute in the formula. What you get? So half is equals to determinant of x1 y1 will be 3 1, x2 y2 will be 9 3, and third will be as it is in the form of x and y, isn't it? So third column will be 1 1 1. That's it. Is equals to 0. This is very important here. ಇದನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಚಲೋ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ ಅದ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದರ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಆರ್ equation of line. Now just expand it. Plus minus plus, already you know this how to expand, isn't it? Right. So now along with that, what you can do is you transfer 2 into RHS. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 3 ಇಂಟು, ಸೊ ಇದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದು ರೋ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 1 2 3 4, 3 into 1 is 3 minus y into 1 is minus 1 as it is. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದು ರೋ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ 9 in minus x, 9 into 1 is 9 minus x into 1 is x. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ 1 2 3 4, 9 into 1 x into 1, isn't it? 1 last value plus 1. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. These 4 left minus right, 9 into y 9y minus as it is x into 3, and you know it is at 3x, isn't it? Right. Just simplify all the brackets. Now this is RHS equals to 0 as it is. Now we'll take this multiplication. It is in dot multiplication. What it becomes? 0, isn't it? So you multiply inside the bracket here. 3 3 is a 9 minus 3 into y is 3y. Minus 1 into 9 is minus 9. Minus 1 into x is plus x. Again 1 into anything is the bracket itself. 9y minus 3x is equal to 0. This 2 is transferred into RHS. It becomes 0 into anything is 0. Now let us simplify. Can I cancel plus 9 with minus 9? Isn't it? Now just observe the x values. These are the 2x. X minus 3x. What it is? Minus 2x. Now y values, 9 minus 3, that is plus 6y, is equal to 0. So 2x equals to 6y. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore x equals to 3y. So this is your equation of line joining of the 2 points. Isn't it? Isn't it easy, my dear students? Just remember the formula. Use x1 y1 x2 y2, keeping xy as it is. Just transfer this 2 into here whenever we expand, and expand, you will get the equation in the form of x and y. This is fully simplified answer. Easy adare ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು equation. Okay, my dear students, we'll see one more similar kind of example, and this is asked in 2025. So this question is asked in the previous year examination. Okay, let us again find the equation of line joining the 2 points. Points are 1, 2 and 3, 6 using the determinants. Use this formula, substitute the value, expand and get the answer in the form of x and y. Let us see. So what it becomes? x1, y1 will be 1, 2 and x2, y2 will be 3, 6, second point. So now substituting in the formula half as it is, x1, y1 is 1, 2, x2, y2 is 3, 6 and x, y as it is 1, 1, 1 is equal to 0. Now this expand this plus, minus and plus, what it becomes half as it is. So 1 into 6 into 1 is 6 minus y into 1 is y minus 2. Again close this and this, 3 into 1 is 3 minus x into 1 is x plus 1 last value plus 1 and 3 into y, 3y minus x into 6 is 6x, isn't it? Already you know this, everybody can solve and can expand the determinant if you practice and if you watch my previous videos and previous examples compulsory. That is the only one thing to practice, expanding the determinant and is equal to 0. Don't forget to write 0 at the end. Now transfer this 2 into RHS, it becomes 0. So now simplify, 1 into 6 is 6, 1 into y is y, so minus as it is, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, minus 2 into minus 2, plus 2x, just multiplying here and here. So 1 into 3y is 3y, 1 into minus 6x is minus 6x. Now observe, can I cancel plus 6 with minus 6 as it is? They will get cancelled each other. Now observe x and y values. This is x and this is x. 2 minus 6. So it will be minus 4, isn't it? So minus 4x. Now observe y values, y and y. Minus 1 plus 3. So plus 2y is equal to 0. So 4x is equals to 2y, because minus 4x, if you transfer RHS, it becomes plus 4x. Yes. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore y is equals to 2x. So this is your equation of line joining of the 2 points. Isn't it easy, my dear students? Just remember the formulas and expand. That's it. You'll get your required result. Isn't it? I hope everybody has followed this class and understood. And these are the only type of examples which will be asked in your board exams. And so I have given the notes of this class in the description box. Please go and download it, and you can find some of the previous year questions. Some of the, again, I have solved only few here, and some of the previous year and model question paper solutions you can find in the PDF form. You can download that in the description area. Okay, so if you still not subscribed, please subscribe and share to your friends and family members and like. Thank you so much. See you again with another important topic in the next class.